Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting camera comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're curious about how these two powerhouse devices stack up in real-world photography and video, you're in the right place. Let's get started. We started by capturing images in bright, natural light. Here's the first set of photos. As you can see, both phones produce vibrant colors and sharp details. The iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces some new technologies aimed at enhancing image quality. Take a look at the color accuracy and dynamic range. Does it offer a noticeable improvement over the iPhone 15 Pro Max? In these shots, notice how each phone handles highlights and shadows. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has been designed to handle challenging lighting conditions better, but how well does it manage to preserve details compared to the 15 Pro Max? We tested the phones with various subjects, from landscape scenes to close-up shots. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's new enhancements are meant to offer more depth and clarity. Check out the details and textures captured by both cameras. Is there a clear advantage for one over the other? Overall, both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max deliver impressive daylight photography. The iPhone 16 Pro Max brings some new improvements, but is it worth the upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's take a look at the first photo. At 2x zoom on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the details are incredibly sharp. The texture of the object we're zooming in on remains clear, and the colors are vibrant without being overly saturated. The image looks natural, and the focus is spot on. The iPhone 15 Pro Max at 2x zoom also produces a great result. But when we zoom in closely, you can notice the edges are a bit softer compared to the 16 Pro Max, and there's a slight reduction in detail in the background. Now let's take a look at the same photo at 5x zoom. On the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the clarity is still impressive at this zoom level. You can see individual textures and details clearly, and the noise is well controlled, even in darker areas of the image. The iPhone 15 Pro Max at 5x zoom, however, starts to lose some of that fine detail. The image still looks good overall, but there's a noticeable difference in sharpness, particularly in the intricate parts of the photo, like leaves or distant objects. Now, let's move to the second photo. Here, we're zoomed in at 2x on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Once again, the 16 Pro Max shows excellent detail, especially in the bright and shadow areas. The image retains clarity, and the colors are true to life. The iPhone 15 Pro Max at 2x does a solid job, but there's a bit more grain in the shadows, and the colors aren't as vibrant as the 16 Pro Max. Switching to 5x zoom on the same photo, the iPhone 16 Pro Max performs brilliantly, maintaining much of the detail even at this high zoom level. You can see how well it handles the texture in the background, and the colors are still balanced. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max at 5x zoom begins to lose more detail. The image is a bit softer, and there's more noise, especially in the darker parts of the scene. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are equipped with advanced sensors and improved image processing algorithms. Let's take a look at how they handle dim environments. In our low-light test, the iPhone 16 Pro Max shows enhanced detail and reduced noise, thanks to its upgraded sensor and improved software processing. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also performs admirably, but you'll notice slightly more noise and less detail in comparison. Next, let's evaluate the low-light performance of the ultra-wide lens. This lens is crucial for capturing wider scenes in low-light conditions. Here's how each model stacks up. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's ultra-wide lens benefits from a larger aperture and improved optical image stabilization, resulting in brighter and sharper images. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's ultra-wide lens, while still strong, shows more softness and noise in low-light settings. Finally, let's talk video recording. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max offer impressive video features, but there are some notable differences. The iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces new video recording enhancements, including improved low-light performance and more accurate color reproduction. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers great video quality as well, but the 16 Pro Max's upgraded features give it a slight edge, especially in challenging lighting conditions. So there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max both excel in camera performance, but the newer model brings some notable improvements in low-light scenarios and video recording. Which phone do you think has the better camera? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching iTechWiz, and we'll see you in the next video.